So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure. Cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Pag may shell dyan na tayo magpakarga pagbaba.
Petron?
Ha?
Petron?
Oo, Petron. Mas naman tayo ngayon.
It's not the ring I wear around my finger. There's nothing in all the world I need when I have you here beside me. Here beside me, so you could give me wings to fly. Catch me if I fall, and pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all, but I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift of all.
Binutos.
In your arms, I found a strength inside, and in your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you. All that my heart could ever want has come true. So you could give me wings to fly, and catch me if I fall, and pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all. I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You could still believe you gave me everything when you gave your heart to me. Couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. You could give me wings to fly, to catch me if I fall, pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all. I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. Your love is the greatest gift of all. Greatest gift of all.
Pasensya na aking mahal, di naman ako magtatagal. Nais ko lamang marinig mo ang bawat nilalaman ng puso kong ito, inaalay ko sa'yo. Tingin mo sana mga sinasabi ng awitin ko. Pilitin mang ibaling at sa iba'y isalin, ay di malimot ang halimuyak na hatid ng hangin. Nung una kang makita, hindi mga paniwala, parang panaginip pagtangit aking nadarama. Nais kong malaman mo, ikaw ay aking iniibig. Sana ay tingin mo ang tibok nitong ngipin. Nais kong malaman mo, ikaw ang nasa panaginip at makalapit at wag na ating daigdig.
Hinahanap ng puso ang pag-ibig mo, sana singin ko malilimutan na pagmamahal at ligaya na dala mo. Kung nakasakali na, kaya mo pang ibalik.
Mas maganda magmotor dyan sa ano, Maria Aurora, no? Ha? Dito kasi, ano yun eh? Gusto mo dito naman. Hindi natin nadaanan yung mga sundalo.
Alam ko na, sadyang magkaiba. Ano nga naman na di mo pwedeng makita sa kanya. Pero magarang kotse, wallet na doble-doble. Di tulad ko na di malaman kapanood ng sine. Sana'y malaman mo na mawala man ako, ay may pag-ibig sa laging kumagabay sa'yo. Di ka papabayaan, laging aalagaan, hanggang sa dulo ay tunay ang aking naramdaman.
Nais kong
Malaman mo, ikaw ay aking iniibig. Sana ay tingin mo ang tibok nitong ngipin. Nais kong malaman mo, ikaw ang nasa panaginip at magkalapit at wag kang ating daigdig.
Hinahanap ng puso ang pag-ibig mo, sana singin ko malilimutan na pagmamahal at ligaya na dala mo.
Ay, hey. Ata.
Ayan. Ang pag-ibig mo, sana singin ko malilimutan
Kaya pala tatawirin natin kaya lahat ng putot na yan. Oh.
ligaya na dala mo. Kung sakali na, kaya mo pang ibalik ating pagtingin sa puso kong nalalagyan ng puso ng pag-ibig mo. Sana
nadaanan yung approach, no? Para nadaanan yung may sapa. Tulay. Ano yung karinderya? Wala tayong bangkay.
Unahan tayo.
Pag yan ang sapa na yan, na may karinderya, yan na yun.
Yung sinasabi mo pa nga na madalas sa agapan.
Ha? Ito na nga yan, oh, yan ang sapa na
Dito
yun.
na yan, malapit na.
Dalawa, may isang sapa pa yun eh. Nagpuno din.
Dito yung banda eh.
Bundok na yung tatawiran.
Kaya mga antihay dito, no?
You old friend, meet again. Where I
Naniniwala ka ba may NPA dito?
Ha?
Naniniwala ka may NPA dito?
May MP ng syudad.
two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere along the road. How are they to know?
May mga chika dito.
Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing.